Morning team, it's Wednesday 24 May, halfway through the week. Yesterday price action was pretty clean, but I couldn't get in. So let's see what today offers. We got basically almost no news. This is irrelevant for me, also it's too late, I will never trade APM. And yes, almost no news, so we may get a slow day but clean one. Let's have a look to item frame first, as usual. Yesterday we closed with a bearish candle. Well, weekly we are still waiting here, dancing in the middle. They didn't even take last week low, so daily doesn't tell me much. This daily bearish candle inside Friday range, I don't know. I mean, we formed a swing high here, which is technically bearish, means liquidity over Monday high. But yeah, I cannot say anything from this. For me to start to think something about daily, maybe, or either we raid the lows and push it slightly higher, or I don't know, we just break BMS of this swing low and continue going lower into 68 areas. Anyway, right now I don't have any bias looking at this chart. Okay, so let's have a look to hourly. H12, yeah, it's the same as daily. I don't even see any fair value gap, you know, like that need to be filled. I see the liquidity here below. Yeah, this one is looking nice. In the 70 area. Yeah, again, not much here. H4. Well, what is it here? H4. Yeah, I'm sorry. Looks like that today I don't have like a real analysis, but honestly, about this bell, all the levels are kind of worked out. I was switching between time frames just for the sake of doing it, and I saw on H8 a fair value gap, but whatever, you know, it's not like that I trade H8, but the price is pretty balanced. I can see some inefficiency above this swing high with this big wick of H4, but I don't know. I mean, I don't want to long with such big liquidity behind, unless we start to shift some serious hourly area of interest. Let me show you better on each one. So, I mean, technically this is a target, okay? And no doubt that this is equal low. They have liquidity below this one, no doubt, okay? Even a blind person can see that. But I mean, doesn't mean that they need to take it today, you know. Also, there is something, you know, I don't like Dixie, but this is pretty clean. They took the highs. Yeah, 3-4 pips stop run, and rejecting now. So Dixie looks more bearish than Euro bullish. Okay, that's what I mean. Can this be an SMT? Yes, it can. Do I care? No, I don't give a fuck. But so they can form this double bottom to get him later, you know, maybe you know, like they want to do this. They leave this double bottom, we go higher into this untested H4 and come back down, you know. Who knows? Who am I to say that? Maybe we go here, take this liquidity, and then come back down and take the double bottom. So I don't want to say, there is double bottom, we need to go here. No, I don't care if we go here or not. Right now we're pushing away. So where I'm gonna become slightly bullish if we start to close above this one. If hourly charts start to close above this one, it becomes slightly bullish. If we start to close steady above this, I become really bullish, and now I tell you why. First of all, this is a high resistance liquidity run. You know, like price has spent so much time in this area, it's really worked. So if we come back here and we don't reject, I think, and we break it, I think we're gonna go way higher. Okay, I don't know, maybe this equalize or whatever. So I got these two areas of interest marked out: this swing high and this untested rejection. You know, because this one is interesting because kind of break the structure down. We came back up, but we didn't fully mitigated this H1 candle into the equilibrium. So sometimes we come back up into the rejection and dump again. Should be confluent. Yes, it's confluent with OTE. Let's see, it's a little bit early to say. Also, this is a big rejection block. I mean, let's check low time frame. I know I sound confused today, but I don't have clear BS right now. So better that I sound confused than I say something that is not properly studied or like analyzed. So this is a valid M15 to me because send the chart below and close lower. Okay, so if we come back here, this is a nice area of interest. If we raid this one into this untested M15, I also gonna look for shorts if I see low time frame confirmation. Okay, because this is the H1 rejection that I mentioned a second ago. Okay, if price is still bullish on M5 and M15 and keep closing above this swing high and this swing high, then I think we're gonna go higher. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right now. These two are my areas of interests, 1 and 2, and then gonna see what happens once we get there. If I see some low time frame bearish confirmation, then I'm probably gonna short. I'm in these lows, or else we're gonna reevaluate later. And that's enough for me for today. I'm gonna post some chart later in the group. Okay, so speak to you later, guys. Bye.